Hello dear friends, might hope you are good, very good. Today we are going to download or install Sublime Text, which is used to code different types of programming languages like HTML, CSS, Java, PHP, Python, C++, etc. So it's very simple how to download and install the Sublime Text. So we'll just follow the 3-step process to download and install. Number 1, go to the Google site and write the Sublime Text in the Google site. To find a Sublime Text site, then you download option and you choose the option as for your PC configuration, like if it is Mac, you download the Mac. If it is the Linux, then you download the Linux option. And if it is the Windows, then you download the Windows option. After downloading your Sublime Text, then you install them. Download and install this Sublime Text. First one, right here, Sublime Text. Sublime Text-3. You get a Sublime Text website, you got a Sublime Text-3, then just click here in order to download. There is a different type of option: OS, Windows 64-bit, and Linux. So if you have the Windows version, this is the number of the PC Windows version. If you show the Windows version, then click here on Windows 64-bit and click here and OK. Just download starting. Let us start. Okay, now we're going to the Part PC and download portion program. Please download it and come here. In order to install the file, step 3, install. So you click the right button of the mouse, you get some instruction. You just follow the second option. Just click here and next, and click next, and click install. Then it's installed. Finish it. And the Sublime Text is installed. Now recheck the Sublime Text install or not. Come here and click here to find how to coding your Sublime Text. Let's start our coding program. HTML, this file. Okay, right here. Heading program, just write links span movie the monitor for the PHP tag. Right here. So come here, you have to save the file. Save as, just write index.php or HTML. Write in HTML. Now